Welcome to another Family Travel Go video. If this is your first time to our channel, we are thankful to have you. We specialize in helping people travel better through sharing travel tips and new destinations through our 360 VR videos, vlogs, drone videos, and more. I want to thank everyone who left us questions in our other videos and across social media channels. Okay, let's dig into the questions. Many people ask, what is the youngest age a baby can be on a cruise? As for Carnival Cruise Lines, infants must be at least 6 months of age at the time of embarkation in order to sail. We waited until Cale was over 1 year old, but we know people who have brought kids younger than that, and they said they had a great time. What are the required documents, such as passports or birth certificates? There are some circumstances where a birth certificate and other forms of ID may be acceptable, but in my opinion, a full passport for each adult and child, not just a passport card, is more convenient, safer, and worth having. Remember to file for a passport far in advance so you'll have it before your next cruise. For more detailed information about passports, please visit passports.state.gov. There's a link down in the description. Jet Set Medic asked if we used a stroller on our cruise. Yeah, we did use a stroller at times. We took a small portable stroller with us. It was very easy to get around the cruise ship thanks to all the elevators, and it gave Kayla a place to take a nap throughout the day. We also have a link in the description to a stroller that's similar to the one that we use. The World and Us asked, how do you handle all your laundry on a cruise? We actually just packed enough clothes to cover the days so we didn't have to worry about doing laundry till after we got home. But if you want to do laundry there are irons, washers, and dryers available on board. And depending on the ship, it may take change or take your sail and sign card as payment. There's also valet laundry available at some, but that obviously costs more. For more information about laundry services, I left a link down below also. Are high chairs available in the restaurants? Yes, the restaurants on board do have high chairs available. We told our wait staff that our first night, and every night they had it already ready for us when we got there. Did anyone get sick or have any motion sickness during the cruise? No, thankfully none of us had any motion sickness or any sickness at all, even though we ate way too much ice cream. I've been on 5 cruises now, Kayla on 4, and the boys both did their first cruise without any sicknesses at all. But if you're concerned about getting sick or have experienced motion sickness before, you might want to consult your doctor or physician. The World and Us asked, we want to do a cruise with the kids, just wondering if the 1.5-year-old was able to use a kids club if they had one. Carnival has a kids club called Camp Ocean. They allow kids ages 2 to 11, so Cale wasn't old enough to participate in the normal kids club during the daily activities. But they do have a night owls program for ages 6 months all the way up to 11 years old, which should last until 1 a.m. That does have an additional cost, but we ended up using it one night, and it worked out pretty good. We also got some excursion questions. Find World's Beauty asked, how much time did you spend in each place? So that's always an issue with cruises. We spent 8 hours in Cozumel and 8 hours in Yucatan Progreso. They gave us plenty of time to do many activities and then do multiple excursions. One of our favorite parts of cruising is seeing as many places as we can in a short amount of time. Someone else asked if excursions have car seats. When we stopped at Progreso, we had a car seat arranged for us, as we went to the archaeological site of the Mayapan, a cenote, and the Hacienda. A video from those experiences at Progreso will be up soon, so be sure to subscribe. But be sure to check with the excursion company beforehand and see if you can get a car seat available. Here's some bonus tips and things to keep in mind. Snacks. Those little guys need to have snacks. One thing we found out is there's milk cartons available at breakfast. We grabbed some extra and put in our room's fridge so Cale could have some milk throughout the day. Also, they had the small little cereal boxes, so we grabbed a few of those to hold them over while we waited for dinner some nights and just throughout the day so we had something to munch on. Keep in mind, the biggest challenge on traveling with kids and babies is the same challenges you have to face at home. There'll be the fits, there'll be the dirty diapers. You'll have these no matter where you're at. So don't let kids prevent you from traveling. Get out there and start exploring. It's totally worth it. Well, that about wraps it up. Thanks so much for watching. I want to invite you over to our website, familytravelgo.com, to check out related articles. And if anyone you know will be considering cruising with kids, go ahead and send them this video. Hopefully it can help them on their next adventure. Also, stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed. We'll be posting more travel trip videos in the future, along with 360 VR videos, vlogs, and a lot more. So don't forget to hit that bell. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down there in the section below. We'd love to hear. We'll see you guys in the next trip.